How to give Robux to friends on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy method to give friends Robux on Roblox. So to give people Robux on Roblox, we're going to be using a game in Roblox called Please Donate. So for your friend or the person receiving the Robux to actually get the Robux, they need to go through some steps to create a game pass. But this is really easy. And once they create a game pass, they can easily receive Robux from you. So I'm going to be using two different accounts here. GGadgetsYT is going to be the account sending the Robux, and then GGadgetsYT4 is going to be the account receiving the Robux. So to get started, the account receiving the Robux needs to create a game pass, and they can do this for free by going to roblox.com and logging into their account, and then go up to the top menu and select create. Once they select create, they just need to go up into the top menu again, select dashboard. Then once you get to dashboard, find your place down here. Now by default, all Roblox users have a place. So go ahead and select your place. Once you select your place, go down and under monetization, select passes. So now all we need to do to create a game pass is select create a pass. And to create a pass, all we need to do is enter a name right here. You can upload an image, but the image and description are not required. We only need to enter a name. Once you've entered your name and any other information here, go down and select create pass. And then there we go. We can see our game pass right here. Now, all we need to do is select the game pass that we just created and then go into sales. So first we need to list this item for sale by toggling this on, and then set the price in Robux for how many Robux we want to receive from our friend. And keep in mind that you'll only get 70% of these. Roblox keeps a 30% transaction fee. So I'm just going to enter 100 Robux as a demonstration. And as you can see, I'll get 70 Robux because of that fee. So now just select save changes. And now the receiver of the Robux is done. Now I've switched over to the person sending Robux. All they need to do on Roblox is find and open the game Please Donate. So I'll open it right here and we'll get started. Once Please Donate opens up, all we need to do to send our friends Robux is simply go in the left sidebar right here, find the little gift icon and select it. Enter your friend's username. You can add a message, but you don't have to, and then select gift. Once you select gift, it'll bring you to a stand right here where you'll be able to see the game passes they created. You can see the one we just created, receive Robux for 100 Robux. So I'll just select that and then I can buy that for 100 Robux. So now as you can see, the gift was sent and I have now sent my friend Robux. Now I can close Roblox. Now the person receiving the Robux just needs to open up Please Donate. Once they get into Please Donate, all they need to do is go over to gifts in the left side. And when they get to gifts, they'll see a little mail icon right here. Select that and they'll see their gift. They can claim it by selecting claim. And then now we have sent them Robux in Roblox. All right, so that's how you send friends Robux in Roblox. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.